Retiring early and achieving financial freedom is a common aspiration for many of us. Typically, it takes intelligent investment strategies and practical steps to realize it within more than a decade. However, if you do it right, you can shorten it to 8 or 5 years. To expedite your retirement plans, you need to take action and follow the necessary steps. The first step is to assess your current financial condition, just like checking the fuel in your car before a road trip. This assessment should include critical elements such as income, expenses, debts, and investments, which are the foundation of your financial stability. When considering income, it's essential to factor in all sources of income, not just your paycheck. This may include rental properties, freelance work, or a side hustle that generates extra cash. Reviewing your expenses is also crucial to identify areas where you can cut back and save some money. You may be surprised at how much you're spending on unnecessary subscriptions. Every penny you save can bring you closer to achieving your retirement goals. It's also important to address any debts you may have, including student loans, credit card balances, or mortgages. Understanding the interest rates and minimum payments can help you tackle them strategically. Investments should be part of your retirement plan. Investment opportunities are not just limited to Wall Street experts. Anyone can explore stocks, bonds, ETFs, or real estate to align with their financial goals. It's time to outline your objectives. Let's dive into retirement goals and achieve financial freedom for a life free from the hustle and bustle of work. Without clear retirement goals, it's like embarking on a road trip without a map. Retirement is a unique experience. Setting clear goals is crucial to knowing where you're headed. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal. Some dream of traveling the world, while others seek a cozy beach house. Please take a moment to imagine your ideal retirement and give it a voice. Let's put in some numbers to make this dream a reality. Calculate the costs associated with your desired retirement lifestyle, including expenses like housing, healthcare, travel, hobbies, and indulgences. This exercise will give you a clearer picture of the financial targets you need to aim for. Be specific when jotting down your retirement goals, from location to activities. It will fuel your motivation and guide your financial decisions. With a clear vision of your retirement goals, you're ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom. The next step, developing a budget plan, is important to steer your finances in the right direction. Creating a budget helps you make informed decisions and stay on track. While it may seem overwhelming, the key is to be mindful of every dollar that comes in and goes out. By meticulously tracking your income and expenses, you'll gain valuable insights into your spending habits and identify areas where you can adjust. This could mean cutting back on dining out, saving on utilities, or exploring affordable alternatives for your daily indulgences. Budgeting is about balancing the present and building a prosperous future without depriving yourself of the things you love. So let's get started. Roll up those sleeves, grab a pen or your keyboard, and start crafting your financial roadmap. Making the right decisions today can bring you closer to achieving the life you've always dreamed of. One important step is to enhance the efficiency of your debt management, as the presence of debt can negatively impact your retirement plans. The legendary investor Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of managing debt to secure your financial future. So how can you tackle this debt monster? One effective strategy is debt consolidation, combining all your debts into a single loan with potentially lower interest rates. Refinancing is another option that allows you to take advantage of lower interest rates or extend your repayment period, freeing up extra monthly cash and helping you get out of debt faster. Consider paying more than the minimum monthly payment to accelerate your debt repayment and save thousands in interest. The power to optimize your debt management strategy lies in your hands. Just imagine if you want to take control of your financial future by optimizing your earning capacity. Instead of being content with a stagnant paycheck, you embarked on an extraordinary journey, pursuing additional education and sharpening your skill set. With every class you attend, you can open new doors of opportunity, which leads to a considerable increase in your earning potential. Consequently, you can retire at the young age of 32.
Probably if I had one piece of advice to give to young people, that across the board, it would be just to don't get in debt. The game plays a lot easier if you're a little bit ahead of the game than if you're behind the game. And Ben Franklin said that long ago in better terms, which Charlie can recite. But there's a real difference. I get letters every day from people that are in all kinds of financial trouble. And often it's health related, which is tragic. But very often it's it relates to debt. I mean, they get behind the game and they're never going to catch up. And often, it may surprise you, but often, yeah, I write these people. They're very decent people. They've just made mistakes, and I just tell them the best course is bankruptcy. I mean, they are not going to catch up, and they should start all over again, and they should never look at a credit card the rest of their life. But it would have been better if they'd gotten that advice a little earlier. But it's very tempting to spend more than you earn. I mean, it's very understandable.
Have you ever considered starting a side business? Imagine turning your passion into a lucrative venture. Whether you enjoy crafting, coding, or consulting, a side business can transform your financial landscape. Instead of solely relying on your job, you can let your money work for you. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you. So why settle for mediocrity? Embrace your potential, chase your dreams, and watch your income soar. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with maximizing your earning potential. Constructing a diversified portfolio is important for a successful investment strategy. This means having multiple options available to you, like taking different routes on a road trip. Regarding investing, numerous choices exist, such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and retirement accounts. Each option has its benefits and risks, with stocks offering growth potential, bonds providing stability and income, real estate being a tangible asset that can appreciate over time, and retirement accounts offering tax advantages. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can minimize risk and protect your investments from market fluctuations. It's like having different flavors in your cereal. If one investment goes sour, you'll still have everything else because you've diversified. The key is finding the right balance that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Take some time to research and explore the various investment options available and begin building a diversified investment portfolio that resonates with you. Next, it is essential to maintain self-discipline. To gain insight into discipline, we can turn to Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself. He once said that the stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Patience and discipline are two sides of the same coin, leading to long-term success. A great way to stay on track is by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts, removing the temptation to skip or delay contributions. This way, your financial goals are always on track. Although discipline isn't always easy to maintain, we have a few motivational tricks to keep you inspired and moving forward. Firstly, visualize your future freedom. Close your eyes and picture the life you've always dreamt of in retirement. This visualization will ignite a burning desire to stay disciplined and make it happen. Secondly, celebrate milestones. Break your journey into smaller, achievable milestones. Treat yourself to a small reward that reminds you of your progress each time you reach one. Thirdly, find an accountability buddy. Share your retirement goals with a trusted friend or family member. Having someone to check in with regularly can provide the necessary accountability and support to stay disciplined. Fourthly, take a moment to reflect on why early retirement matters to you. Is it to spend more time with loved ones or pursue passions? Please write down your reasons and revisit them whenever you need extra motivation. Fifthly, embrace flexibility. While having a solid retirement plan is crucial, remaining flexible along the way is equally important. Life has a funny way of throwing curveballs, and being adaptable allows you to navigate through unexpected circumstances without losing sight of your ultimate goal. Lastly, build a supportive network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals on the path to early retirement. Together, you can support each other and achieve your goals. It's important to seek out communities, online forums, or local meetups to connect with like-minded individuals who share your goals. Sharing experiences, tips, and challenges with others who understand your journey can provide invaluable support and motivation. After creating a solid retirement plan, it's important to fine-tune your strategy. Although you may feel confident and believe everything is figured out, unexpected events can occur, priorities may shift, and markets may fluctuate. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your retirement plan is vital. You can make informed investment decisions and adapt to changing market conditions by closely monitoring market trends. Remember that the world of finance can be a wild ride, but with the right approach, you'll be able to weather any storm. Life is full of surprises, which can cause your goals and priorities to shift over time. Retirement planning should evolve to match these changes, such as a new job, family growth, or significant life events. Seeking professional advice from a trusted financial advisor is always a good idea. It's important to regularly monitor and adjust your retirement plan, stay updated with market trends, and embrace life's changes. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Now is the time to take charge of your retirement dreams. Taking action now is key if you want to retire in 5 years. Remember, sharing this advice with friends and subscribing to my channel for more financial tips can also help.
We appreciate your watching. Please hit the like button below if this video helped you in any way and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again and see you next time.